Access to food is an issue that really crosses many areas, and it certainly is a public health issue. Hunger and lack of access to healthy food can result in folks overeating unhealthy food. Like many areas of the country, Philadelphians suffer a great proportion and great numbers with being overweight or obesity. In fact, in some of our neighborhoods, as much as 70% of kids are obese or overweight. And we know that the long-term health impact of that is really a crisis.
Philadelphia is now seen as a national model in developing innovative ways to improve health by changing the food environment.
The Department of Public Health sought and fortunately received significant amount of federal dollars through a recovery grant from the Centers for Disease Control to provide access to healthy, affordable food throughout many, many neighborhoods throughout Philadelphia.
In partnership with the Common Market, the School District of Philadelphia, and Fair Food, the Food Trust is bringing fresh, locally grown fruits and vegetables to 5 Philadelphia high schools. The kids love the taste of locally grown food, and we're planning to expand that program to 20 schools by next year. The Food Trust operates 18 farmers markets in Philadelphia, all of which accept SNAP food stamp benefits.
Folks who are on food stamps are encouraged to go to farmers markets and get a coupon to buy fruits and vegetables.
In the next 2 years, in cooperation with the City Health Department, we plan to open 10 new farmers markets in Philadelphia.
We are repurposing some existing farmland that is in the Fairmount Park system. We want to use that land to begin to support entrepreneurs in small half-acre plots so they can provide good, nutritious food, make some money, and help Philadelphia reach its sustainable goals. We are working with Teens for Good on a little farmette that will not only provide youth development activities for the young people, but also provide food for the local supermarkets.
Our Healthy Corner Store initiative works with store owners to stock healthier options. Now stores are carrying fresh fruit juice, water, and fresh fruits and vegetables where before they only had soda and chips. By next year, we hope to be working with over 1,000 corner store operators.
People really deserve to be healthy. We can help educate people that they are entitled to be healthier, that there are choices they can make. They can make those choices here in Philadelphia. And we will help make the options available and accessible.